Hello, I'm Mrs. C, an ELL teacher at Florida Connections Academy. Today I'm going over the Unit 2, Where Will Our Adventures Take Us? Lesson 15, Animal Adventure Places Portfolio Assignment. This is a language arts assignment that you're going to complete at home with your learning coach and then upload and turn into your teacher for a grade. So let's look at our rubric to see how we can get the best grade possible. Our rubric says, the student wrote a descriptive sentence about a favorite animal adventure. So if you've read a few stories about animals, mice and rabbits, now you're going to write a sentence about one of those animals. The student accurately identified the naming part of the sentence, that's the noun or who the sentence is about, and accurately identified the action part of the sentence. That's what the animal is doing. So what are they doing in your picture? And then it also says drew an appropriate or accurate illustration. So your illustration should match your sentence. Whatever your sentence says your animal is doing, that's what your illustration should show. If you include all four of those parts, you will get a perfect grade. So let's go ahead and look at the sheet. It says draw, write, and it has a spot for your name at the top. Make sure you print this out and put your name at the top. So this is where I'm going to draw my picture or my illustration. This is where I'm going to write my sentence. So I chose a rabbit. I really like rabbits. So I drew a bunny rabbit and then I wrote about what that bunny rabbit was doing. I described what was happening in my picture. So my sentence says, the rabbit sits in the grass. Now there are a few other important things I need too in this sentence. I need to begin with a capital letter. I have a big T right here. And I need to end with a period at the end of my sentence. Or maybe you might end with an exclamation point or a question mark, but you must have that ending punctuation. So I have a period since this is just a telling sentence about what my rabbit is doing. The rabbit sits in the grass. What is the naming part? Who is this sentence about? Where's the noun? Rabbit, right? So rabbit is who my sentence is about. So I underlined. I drew a green line underneath rabbit to show that's the naming part of my sentence. Then I need to talk about the action. What happens? What is my rabbit doing? Where's the verb? So sits. Sits is my verb. My action part is sits in the grass. That's what is happening. That's the action taking place. Look at my picture. Does it match? Is my rabbit sitting in the grass? Yeah, it's doing the same thing, right? So my illustration and my sentence both match. I started with a capital letter, I ended with a period, and I underlined the naming part of the sentence, and I circled the action part of the sentence. Once you do all of this, again, make sure your name's at the top. Go ahead and turn it into your teacher, and you're going to do a great job. Remember, you don't have to write about a rabbit. This is your favorite animal adventure, so you can draw any animal that you would like to. Just make sure that your illustration and your sentence go together. All right, that's it for me. I hope you have a great day. Goodbye.